Want to make viral AI videos without showing your face for free? CapCut just launched one of the most insane AI tool that makes video creation faster and easier than ever. And it's 100% free for everyone. If you've ever thought about starting a faceless YouTube channel or creating AI-generated content, now's the perfect time. It's never been easier, and this tool gives you everything you need without spending a dime. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I created using this tool, and then I'll walk you step by step through how to use it. But first, I highly recommend downloading the CapCut desktop app using the link in the description. Like I said, it's totally free and gives you access to all the advanced features. Once it's installed, you'll be able to access the AI Video Maker from here, or you can using official website online AI Video Maker. Here's the video I made with it. It took me no more than 20 minutes to complete a 7 minutes video. Let's play it.
One of my biggest regrets in life is that I haven't traveled more alone. It's something that I really want to do and hoping that one day I will get the chance to. But it's quite a scary thing to do, and these 3 Reddit stories will definitely make you feel the same way. So let's just get into it. The first story, a bus ride from hell. So this happened over 10 years ago.
By the way, I used to post scary story niche like Mr. Nightmare before. That time we made many steps. ChatGPT for script, AI image generator, voiceovers, editing, etc. That's tough, honestly. And now with CapCut brand new AI Video Maker, we can do it much easier. Even you don't need other tools, just some clicks. Now I'm going to show you how to create something like this step by step. Once you follow the link in the description, you'll be taken to CapCut's official site. Click Download to get the app, and once installed, log into your account. This is the screen you'll see when the app launches. Click on the AI Video Maker. Once you're in, you'll see the main interface. You can start a new project or explore features like Instant AI Video, Brainstorm with AI, which helps you generate script ideas, Avatar Video, and Match Media to Script. We'll go through each of these, but first, let's recreate the horror stories video I made. Click New Project. Step 1. Craft your script. The interface is intentionally simple and clean. You can paste a script you already have or let the AI generate one for you. No need to use ChatGPT anymore. CapCut can do it all in-house. Click Create Script and you'll see options for topic, key points, video duration, writing style, and more. For example, I want to create a video about 3 horror stories of traveling alone, so I enter that topic. In the box below, you describe what the video is about. The more detail, the better the script, but even a few words will work. For this demo, I'll write, create an engaging video based on 3 horror stories of traveling alone. First 10 seconds with strong hook, compelling narratives, written in paragraphs. Each paragraph is no more than 200 character. Each story is about 1,000 words. Then you can set the duration. Choose from 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes. Yes, CapCut will generate a full 10-minute script if you want. That's something ChatGPT often struggles with, keeping length consistent, but CapCut nails it. I'm going with 10 minutes for this example. Next is mimic writing style. If you already have a YouTube channel and want to keep your voice consistent, paste an old script here and CapCut will match the tone and structure. Here I leave it with blank. Then there's more requirements, and this is important. You can add something like first 10 seconds with strong hook, because I added this in the key points, so here you can leave with blank too. Because we all know, if you don't hook your audience early, they'll scroll away. Now that I've filled in just a few details, story topic, key points, 10-minute length, and an engaging hook, click Create. In about 30 seconds, CapCut generates the entire script. Here's what it gave me. One of my biggest regrets in life is that I haven't traveled more alone. It's something that I really want to do, and I'm hoping that one day I will get the chance to. But it's quite a scary thing to do, and these 3 Reddit stories will definitely make you feel the same way. So let's just get into it. And then it dives into stories and so on. Once you're happy with the script, click Use. Now it's time to build the scenes. You can select from over 100 AI avatars that will read your script. There are tons of styles, news presenters, animated characters, older people, etc. But I'll skip avatars for now and head straight to voice. CapCut offers over 100 AI voices, all free. I'm looking for something deep, narratives, and with an American or English accent. You scroll and test voices. Found one. Alvin. English. American accent. Perfect. Click Apply to all scenes. CapCut automatically splits long paragraphs into clean sentence-by-sentence voiceover clips, making narration more natural and reducing errors. But here I am, not use it splits feature, just because we will use AI generate the images, and this is 10 minutes video, and after I tested, CapCut just only generate 100 scenes images total here. But for shorts videos, we recommend you using splits feature. Now play the result.
One of my biggest regrets in life is that I haven't traveled more alone. It's something that I really want to do and hoping that one day I will get the chance to.
Perfect delivery. I'm happy with that. Next up, media. You can use generative AI media, your own uploaded media, or stock media. I choose generative AI media. CapCut scans your script, picks out keywords, and generate each line with relevant clips. Also, you will find ton style image for your choose. And all it's free. For sure, you choose your own media if have, or choose stock media which match more. I will choose spooky for try. It takes just few minutes, and you have a fully assembled video with matching visuals for every line. Now let's add captions. By default, CapCut adds simple subtitles, but I like to switch to more engaging styles that highlight the current word being spoken. This keeps viewers' eyes engaged and increases retention. Pick a style you like. Some are free, some paid, but most have plenty of options. Next is music. There's a huge library of tracks from TikTok and CapCut's library. If you create for TikTok, then find one that fits, hit apply, and you're done. But if you create for YouTube, we will skip this part and pick music from YouTube Studio Library. This way we never have copyright issue about the music. Just like that, in under 20 minutes, you've created a full AI-powered video, script, voice, visuals, captions, music, all for free. Click Export. And using CapCut app for final editing like add music or more engaging with effect, you can even back to CapCut app to add some effect and filter, like add black noise and lightness. This is optional, because the example here is scary stories, so maybe add these better. After that, upload to YouTube, and you're live. Now, if you want to make TikTok or YouTube shorts, CapCut also offers AI templates that generate entire videos instantly. Scroll down and look at the Simplify Creation with AI Templates section. Let's try the Truth About Omega-3 one. Click Remake. It auto-fills the script setup. I'll update it to The Truth About Omega-3 You Never Know, hit Generate. In under 2 minutes, it gives you full script voiceover media music captions. All right, let's play the story we created.
Here's the truth about omega-3 you never know. Did you know that the human brain is composed of 60 to 80% fat? And out of that, 20% is made up of omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 is crucial for brain health, but most people don't get enough of it. The recommended daily intake for men is 1,600 milligrams and for women is 1,100 milligrams. But the average person only consumes 100 milligrams per day. That's 90% less than what they should be having. Omega-3 is an essential nutrient that our bodies cannot produce on their own, so we must obtain it from the foods we eat. Some foods that are rich in omega-3 include fish, mackerel, salmon, sardines, cod liver oil, as well as walnuts and flax seeds. By including these foods in your diet, you can ensure that you are getting enough omega-3 fatty acids to support a healthy brain and body. So share this video with your friends and family so they, too, can learn about the importance of omega-3.
Okay, obviously this is AI-generated media. It's not quite cinema does, but it's scalable. Anyone at any skill level can make 10 of these in an hour. And you can tweak anything. Rewrite the hook, change the voice, switch visuals, adjust captions or music. It's all editable and flexible. So whether you're editing on your desktop, browser, or phone, CapCut makes it incredibly easy to create amazing AI videos from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.